Guys, this is part 3. My name's Yowie Chaser. I'm down at Lismore. Just filming the destruction that's down here, guys. Here's the Audis, guys, that was on the news, and they said they built the Audi so it wouldn't flood. So apparently that was built 2 meters over the flood level, I believe. And I seen it was way over. Just so you get some sort of idea how much water come through here. It's just never ending, guys. If you've watched all the other videos, I can just drive down any street, guys, and it's just total destruction. Words just can't explain the mess that's here. And these poor people. I had a leak on my roof leak, guys, up in Brisbane, and I was freaking out. Alright, we're on the main highway, Bronxner Highway, guys. Let's see how it coped. Fresh H2O power laundry. There's someone doing a good thing. They got water, laundry. Man cave. Even up all these little side streets to my right, here's the army, they're in here. That's good to see that they're here. Yep, every one of these little side streets, guys, is... What are they doing? They must be just going house by house. Shit, there's no lights on there. Let's have a look, see what they're doing. Yep, well, that's good to see. I think they need a few more than what's there, but like a lot more. You can't have just like 3 bloody trucks, you need about 500. I've got a garage sale, someone's seen the funny side of things. Wow, look at this place. This is it, guys. Every street, doesn't matter where you go. Like I said, I don't even know this area. There's probably way worse areas. I don't know. I don't think it can get any worse. But every place, every road you turn down, it's like this, unless you're up on a hill. Well, we're back out on the main road again. We'll go check out some of these side streets. Alright, we're going up Clarice Street. Fire rescue. Wow, what's this place? Camp Agencies, specialising in commercial industrial packaging. God, they got a serious little mess going on. Up to a roundabout and we'll go a bit further. I think when this is over, guys, I think the whole of Australia should come here and buy from these guys. Help them get going again. Army's up here as well. butchers. Free little butcher or something. It's a good little shop, actually, a tidy little shop. Liberty Servo, looks like she's gone under, she's full of water. Gibbo's Auto Spares. Used furniture. Tell you what, if you own a furniture shop, you'll be very busy. Another street. Alright, we're heading there, guys. We're heading back towards the city. Well, someone's throwing down some bikes. Surely they're not throwing them out. Alright, so it's pretty high here. It still looks like we got a bit of flooding. I'm not sure if I just come this way or not. Don't think so. Gateway Motel, which doesn't look good either. Looks like it's gone under. Help. Domino's over there. No cheap pizzas. Wow, Lismore's actually a pretty big town too. Stuff up in trees up there, what is that? I don't know, there's heaps of stuff. Jeez, it's really bad here. City Hall, even the City Hall's gone under. There's a car yard, whole Mercedes in there. Oh, heaps of old cars, I like that. Bit of camping on the street.